Today we're going to be looking at an Eastern North Carolina sweet potato operation. We're going to show you guys what farmers are doing this time of year to prepare for the upcoming growing season, and also tie this in with our theme of ugly produce. We're going to be showing the issues and tasks that farmers face in order to produce one of North Carolina's favorite forms of produce. Right now, in late March, farmers are preparing their fields by spraying and disking in order to prepare for the transplanting of sweet potato cuttings, which will happen in the following weeks. Before the transplanting can begin, farmers will plow their fields into rows that are high and distinct, similar to these tobacco rows shown here. As you can tell, Eastern North Carolina farmers have to deal with moist, unstable weather patterns this time of year, which often causes issues. This is one of the fields where the farmers plan to plant sweet potatoes this summer. The rain that we've got recently has caused a setback and the fields are too wet to get started, so we're going to have to wait until the fields dry out and then get back to work. Back at the farm, equipment used for transplanting is being prepped for laying out this year's upcoming crop. This building here is a sweet potato warehouse. It is where farmers store their harvested sweet potatoes until the time is right to begin selling. When not being used frequently, the shelter also provides a way to keep equipment out of the elements. These climate-controlled rooms allow farmers to store sweet potatoes for long periods of time. Looking at these sweet potatoes here, we see how farmers are also challenged with the issue of dealing with ugly produce. As you can see, only a small amount of sweet potatoes in a bin like this would be the right size that you would see at a supermarket or at a restaurant. Sweet potatoes that are too big like this one or too small like this one would go for a much smaller price for a farmer than one that's a good medium size like this that you would see at a restaurant. When the time is right, the sweet potatoes are shipped off to be sold. As you can tell, not all sweet potatoes come in the same shape and size. Because of this, institutions like North Carolina State are helping farmers find the best time to pick their sweet potatoes for the opportune size and shape based on variables like soil medium and irrigation levels. This is essential to farmers because, as you can see, the only produce of any form that makes it to the consumer are of a uniform size and shape. After a long summer's work, a farmer's finished product can be seen right here. Remember, during your next trip to the grocery store, help out your local farmer by being a little less picky when deciding what type of produce your family will eat. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoyed the video.